Eyes on Digital reporting to you live from Boise, Idaho. Today our topic will be answering the question, when is it time for a new website redesign? Here are a few signs that you need a web design makeover. Number 1, when you are not getting any leads. It might be time for a redesign or a refresh of your existing page if no one's being attracted to your website. Number 2, when your website looks dated, such as using a flash or not being responsive across the board, that might be time for a new look. Number 3, when your website is not set up correctly for SEO or advertising purposes. Number 4, when your website discusses services that you no longer offer and doesn't list your current services that you do. Number 5, when your website takes way too long to load. And finally, number 6, when your bounce rates are high across all pages. For more information on this, please check out our website, getsocialized.com, or check out all of our social media platforms.